welcome to the channel. Today I am dictating you legal dictation 520 words at the rate 80 word per minute. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1 and go. The principal question that arises in this batch of substantive applications is whether in the state of Haryana, land notified under the provisions of the Punjab Land Preservation Act 1900 bracket start for short the PLP Act bracket close is forest land or is required to be treated as forest land. If so, whether construction carried out by the applicant, Arkant and company on this land is in contravention of the notification dated 18th August 1992 issued under the provisions of the PLP Act, the Forest under bracket Conservation Act 1980 and decisions of this court. Our answer to both the questions is in the affirmative. We have no doubt that land notified by the state of Haryana under the provisions of the PLP Act must be treated as forest and forest land and has in fact been so treated for several decades by the state of Haryana. There is no reason to change or alter the factual or legal position. The construction activity carried out by the applicant, Arkant and company is clearly in violation of the notification dated 18th August 1992 and in blatant defense of orders passed by this court from time to time. Unfortunately, the Town and Country Planning Department of the state of Haryana has been supporting the illegalities of the applicant despite strong resistance from the Forest Department of the state of Haryana. There is no doubt that at the end of the day, the state of Haryana comes out in very poor light and must be held accountable for its conflicting and self-destructive stand taken in spite of affidavits filed by the Chief Secretary of the state of Haryana from time to time supporting the Forest Department. The unfortunate and distressing consequence of this is that because of a complete lack of any concern for the environmental and ecological degradation carried out in the Aravalli Hills by influential colonizers like the applicant and what appears to be a very strong mining lobby in Haryana, the damage caused to the Aravalli Hills is irreversible. It is not only the future generations that have to pay a heavy price for this environmental degradation, but even the present generation is paying a heavy price for the environmental and ecological degradation in as much as there is an acute water shortage in the area as prophesied by the Central Groundwater Board. In addition, what was once a popular tourist destination has now vanished and the entire water body has become bone dry. What are the more severe consequences that will be felt in the years to come? Only time and nature will tell. On 12th September 1990, a meeting was held in the context of closing some areas for purposes of afforestation, particularly those areas where mining activity was going on. It was suggested by the Town and Country Planning Department that areas earmarked for colonization should not be closed, but no final decision was taken, and it was decided that the list of such areas should be provided or made available for further directions. The list was eventually prepared and it included the land of the applicant, but nothing further happened in this regard. Full stop. And over. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more dictations, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications.